Hi Krish, I hope you're good. I think okay. Let me. I got a one message today regarding this. I'm going to explain you. He stated these words, right? There is no input validation. It is doesn't ask you the delete option as well as no. It is whenever I delete the product, it will go into the deadline situation and it is not verifying existing item. Already I implemented all these part of things, whatever he stated, right? So one thing I noticed in this, whatever he showed in the demo, right? This is actually, first I would like to show you something because he is very nice. Before 25th of January, he was started me very well and he supported me very nice. I'm not sure what happened after that 25th. I sent a latest version, working version on the day. So suddenly he changed his thoughts and he changed his things. Let me okay. Anyway, leave. This is I sent the latest version. Okay. So let me show you that version. Just 2.1, right? This is the 2.1 version. Okay. He's stating that the first message is there is no input validation. Okay. The first see. For example, if I want to add one product, see, here I would like to, if I click add new button, you will get all the empty strings. See, I'm just going to copy this product, okay, and paste it into here. Sorry, I think, okay, so this is, here is the product. Okay, I would like, if I want, I would like to add one product. If I click add new button, everything is going to be empty. So now here I just going to the, here is the part, the SQL is the primary key as well as the marketplace ID. I saw in that video what he provided, this Amazon.co.uk is showing in the capital letters. Just check it out and see here I'm going to add some he's stating that one more problem in the software, it is not validating, there are no input validations. See, if I enter any merchant price like something like this and this and so much, and then if I click an add button, see, please enter valid merchant price. If I add any problematic merchant price, if it is not float, then you can change it, right? 10.11. So if I click again as you do, it asks me to add a valid MBA price also. So see, let me 10.21. Okay, see, right, already this product in the inventory, right? If I click on add new burden, it's saying product already existing in your inventory. See, already exists. It's validating every time. Whenever you click something, na, it will validate. So already the product is exists. So it no more to accept to add into the inventory because it is automatically find the duplicates. That is any kind of developer such as 1 year or 2+ years of experience guy is well known these kind of things. These are the simple code functionalities. Create, update, delete. These are the normal functionalities, right? And also he stated one more message in this authorization. See, does not ask for user opinion in case of deletion. This is stupidest question he is asking. Whenever you click something, right? If he selected one thing, if I click delete, are you sure did you want to delete? It is anyone can implement it, say, such a kind of features. And also he stated one more message. Whenever I delete particular item, the program is going to the deadlock situation. System goes into the deadlock after item deletion. Let me delete one. Let me delete this one. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. QMB JPA, right? I just deleted. Okay, all selected products successfully deleted. Now see, I'm clicking. See, where the product is going to the deadlock. I don't know what his goal and what kind of things he's looking and everything and all. I don't know. This is an updation, validations, everything and all. It's everything the product is giving to the SQS and marketplace IDs. If you want to add new item, right? You can click and add new item. You can add it. That is executing the version which I sent on 22nd of January. Actually, that version is mixed of errors and a lot of other stuff is added. So I resolved all the things. You just check it out everything, right? See, you can check it out anything active or inactive mode and everything and all. I'm just responding his the first 4 points. No input validation. I proved that whenever you click the delete button, when I click the delete, it's going to the deadlock. It's not going to the deadlock. Already I showed you. And update existing item without verification. It is updating, right? If it is if you are adding a same item, it is showing the message already. The product is inventory, right? Okay, and this is a search facility functionality, right? Is how he is entered a duplicate. How he is entered whenever he clicks now, where it is going to the validation. Right. The core functionality what we are agreed, add a new item, edit new item, and delete a particular item. These are the silly things. Why is not showing the functionality? Just I'll send you one exe, whatever I have at the moment. You just install and execute and show me everything in front of live. I'm going to sit with you, and as well as he's also going to sit with both of us, and we are going to through TeamViewer or something else. We're going to sit and we're going to discuss where is the problem. Okay, I think I hope you understand very well. This is the minimum functionality any kind of 1 year or 6 months year experience of developer can do that. Here, I don't know, he is passing so many words, he is installing the very old version of the software he is trying to make. He is having the source code of my entire project. You know what it is mean? Okay, he is having the source code completely. I send a source code through Skype as well as I send many times through TeamViewer. I went to their server and I installed my latest source code. I transfer the latest source code. He can do anything, right? I don't have it. I can't show you the functionality because he is having the username and password of the Amazon. I can't do without the username and password, and as well as I can't do any. I can't show any functionality because I don't have any email address and password of the Amazon as well as I don't have any I don't have any kind of credentials at the moment. So what I can prove myself is these whatever is stated, those are working. See, when I click, see where it is going to the deadlock situation. For example, I would like to go to select one particular one and I'm deleting this, right? See, are you sure you want to delete the record? Yes, I'm going to delete the record. Then after it's showing the message, now see, I'm clicking all the way, where it is going to the deadlock situation. You know what deadlock situation, not responding situation, where it is going. Show me. I need a complete explanation. Okay, I want to. If you want to go add new item, you can select whatever and you can add anything at all. So I'm not sure what is his situation and I'm really lost sometimes. Anyway, I'm proving myself, my areas actually whatever you stated regarding that message. If the client is not working, the client is showing if it is not a working X, I'm going to show you the X is working fine. Well, so I showed all the 4 things. He's check all what he all he stated. Okay, I think should be the Skype conversations will come up because the Skype is a very regular one. You know, all the people are will use it. Okay, we only sometimes only we are working it through ELANs all the time. We actually we converge we touch each other every day in Skype. Why don't you take the Skype is a major one. See, here is we started a project on December 22nd, right? He hired me on 28th or 29th. He hired me around the January. He hired me around December 28th. Then after we started the project and we just conversed this much of only 4 to 5 messages. Then but we are all the time we are in the Skype. See, this is the conversation messages at all from the beginning of the 28th. We conversation both of us are like a use. Where he added a lot of code as well as he's added a lot of logic in that, which is not presented in the document. Okay, I implemented. I made one message in that also. I normally choose this project. This is very big project. You added me lot. He stated that I'll be with you, don't worry. I help you. A lot of things he stated before 25th January once. That's good. Once the software is works, then he stated, it's not working. It's taking a 10 minutes of time to execute every product. How it will take you 10 minutes, right? He stated everything is going to be working fine. Then after again the next day he's stating, no, it's not working good, and we are going to close the deal, and I want my money back. What the silly thing that is? What the hell that is? He's really, I don't want to tolerate this anymore. You just take it out everything and all what I stated. I think have a nice day. You hope understand what my feelings and everything and all, and try to catch me as soon as I think I try to catch you as soon as the good news. Have a nice day, Krish. Bye bye.